Swiss military portable vacuum cleaner for car with free flow organizer, cable organizer, car vacuum cleaner wireless, dry and wet suction, efficient filtration, powerful suction, 120W, 2000 Malor mAh. Black about this item. Powerful suction with efficient filtration. 120W motor and advanced filtration system ensure effective cleaning of both dry and wet messes, leaving your car spotless and fresh. Wireless and portable design. Compact and cordless, this vacuum offers maximum convenience, letting you clean every corner of your car with ease and without tangled wires. Durable 2000 mAh battery, equipped with a long-lasting rechargeable battery providing extended usage time for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Free flow organizer. Included, comes with a handy organizer for cables and accessories, ensuring a clutter-free storage solution for your car essentials. Versatile cleaning performance, suitable for wet and dry cleaning with multiple attachments for upholstery, carpets, and hard-to-reach areas, offering all-around cleaning efficiency.